Hey guys and gals of the tubes, check this shit out. I 3D printed a Cryptex. Very freaking sweet. This one's codable. You can change the code on it. It's got 2 rings, so just, pull the ring off, twist it, whatever. To change the code, you can put your weed in there, man. This one's coded just number 6s. So I'll show you. Let's mix up the codes. You can't pull that fricker apart no matter what. It's very freaking sweet. Let me line up the code here again. It's a little tight being new. Okay, all 6s. Yeah, you could put your fucking weed in there, man. Very super cool. Freaking sweet, eh? Very cool. 3D printed Cryptex for weed.